Desk. My desk is at the back of the classroom. Chair. He sits in a chair for 8 hours a day. Pen. You must use a blue or black pen in the exam. Pencil. I do my homework with a pencil. Pencil case. What do you have in your pencil case? Pencil sharpener. My pencil is blunt. Do you have a sharpener? Rubber or eraser. I made a mistake. Pass me the rubber, please. Ruler. You can't draw a straight line without a ruler. Scissors. Be careful, those scissors are very sharp. Paper. They wrote their names and addresses on a piece of paper. Stationery. I buy my stationery in August, before school starts. Book. What is your favorite book? Textbook. Open your textbooks to page 27. Dictionary. We looked up the word in the dictionary. Bookcase. Our bookcase is full of interesting books. Computer. She works on her computer. Laptop. They took their laptops to the library to study. Screen. My phone screen is broken. Printer. The printer is on the table next to the computer. Projector. We watched a good film on the projector last week. Headphones. I always listen to music with headphones. Clock. I can't see the clock. What time is it? Poster. Look at that poster on the wall. Whiteboard. Our teacher writes on the whiteboard to explain things. Marker pen. You must use a marker pen when you write on the whiteboard. Blackboard. In the past, most teachers wrote on blackboards. Chalk. You need chalk if you want to write on a blackboard. Calendar. What's the date? I don't know. Check the calendar. Bin or trash can. Put your rubbish in the bin. Door. It's noisy, please close the door. Window. When the lesson is boring, the students look out the window. Bag. My school bag is heavy today.